Today we have a pro makeup artist versus a pro photographer. So joining me for today's photo shoot is professional makeup artist, Christina.
Hi everyone, so I'm Christina, I'm from Chicago, and I've been doing makeup professionally for 10 years. So I'm excited to compete against Jessica. This is gonna be interesting.
So what are you gonna be using to take today's pictures with?
Today I'm gonna be using nothing other than the 12 Pro iPhone. We shall see how this goes. 3 lenses, we got this.
I have my one lens, the 24-70, and then my 5D Mark IV. But you have more, you probably have that lens plus more, to be honest.
And I use Facetune to edit. She probably uses like Photoshop, like all these crazy things. So it's gonna be interesting since I'm usually taking pictures of the models just like selfie mode. And yeah, you're doing the actual work, like the photography.
We have our beautiful model Kendall here today. Fun fact, by the way, Christina actually did the makeup on the model, which is very fitting for today's video. Beautiful graphic pink liner, and then I just put her in this dress. So it's a team collaboration today. I'm really excited. You have 5 minutes to take just the best photos. Have fun with it. Let's have your other arm out just a little bit. Yeah, right there. Hold that pose. Beautiful. Stay right there. Have your arm out a little bit more. Yeah, right there. So my strategy today is to get a lot of dynamic poses. I really want to show off the street style and the outfit. So that's my goal for today. Just do regular street style fashion, like I always do. And then could I have you maybe right here? I want a little bit of sunlight, but we don't want you to get hit by a car. So we're gonna have to maneuver when it's the walk sign. Like walk towards me, yeah. And like walk past me right here, yeah. How about you put your leg more towards my lens, yeah. And then arms up just a little bit, yes. Great, stay right there. Oh, YouTube! That's why I'm shooting with her, yes! Thank you! Are your feet okay?
Yeah, they're fine.
Okay. Let's have you keep walking. Yeah. Looking here? Yeah. I also had her do a lot of walking shots, which I love. Those are my favorite shots to do. I have the models go back and forth on the street, and then I do a lot of low angles with those. I love those types of shots. You need to get them as they're moving, so I like to do those. I hate these scooters with a passion. I hate the scooters, you guys.
I've almost died on this many times.
You've almost died on the scooter. We don't want that. We don't love that for you. Or you know what? Can I have you like up against this? Yeah. Yes. Let's have like your, yeah, kind of like even like wrap your arm around that if you cut, yeah, right there.
So Jessica definitely, you know, she's amazing. She took it there too, but you know what? She stayed in the same area. A little comfortable, Jessica, so I'm coming for you.
Okay, and then can I have you just stand? How much time do I have? 30 seconds. 30 seconds, okay. Head down a little. Can you, where's the shade? Where's the shade? I can't find the shade though. Okay, right, wait, back there. Yes, right here. Go back, take a step back.
10 seconds.
Okay. Head down a little, chin down. Chin down a little, bring your shoulder in. She's gonna make your job so easy.
Hi, my name is Kendall, aka Kenjita. I'm a model from Detroit, and I'm super excited for this today.
I cannot wait to see Christina's iPhone pictures. They're literally gonna end my career. She's gonna destroy my YouTube channel, and that's exactly, like I live for that. So you're up, Christina.
Okay, so my strategy is to really take it there. I want to stop a car at the red light and have her on the car. Just saying, I want to do something out there. And yeah, just follow, kind of go with the flow. We'll see what happens. Okay, by the way, before we start the time, I don't know how to pose models, so do your best poses, and I'm just gonna be like, hold it, and hold that shit. Oh, sorry, I don't know if we're allowed to swear. We can bleep it out. By the way, guys, I have a stiff neck. A pose for me. I love my strategy, it's just pose for me. Ooh, hold that right there. One more. Okay. And hold. Am I cheating because I'm making her do this? All right, let's get you in the light. A little more this way. And kind of, yes, perfect. Hold it. Not me using the iPhone. Go on, do something over here. Like, just do something for me here. America's Next Top Model, who, baby? Okay. Hold on, let me see. All right, now I'm gonna get some of your face. Actually, oh my God, right here is perfect. Can you stand right here for me?
Yes.
Alrighty. I am obsessed. We're gonna go right here. Okay, so stand here for me in the middle of that.
I like the fact that Christina is so confident in what she does. She said that she doesn't really pose models, but yet she was really taking control of the photo shoot.
Right here. Sorry, I'm so bossy.
I think as a makeup artist, you do have to kind of direct in some way, you know, like having the models look down and staying still and stuff like that. So I feel like she used some of her makeup artist photography skills in this photo shoot.
And like, see where this line is? Right there.
Working with Christina today was really great. It was really fun. She kept commenting on being bossy because she was like commanding me around. But I was just like, that's what you're supposed to do as the photographer.
Okay, give me your best money shot. Then get close to this. Maybe do like a leaning, like. Done.
Okay.
Not me ending early. Sorry for bossing you around. I feel so weird because I'm not used to like, go here, go there, do this, do that. Okay, I came in with more confidence, so I'm not sure, but I probably killed it. Because when you underestimate yourself is when you kill shit. So I think I killed it. I think I did good. Wow, I was hoping for a freaking police car and it just came.
So thanks for tuning in to the end of the video. We would love to thank our amazing model, Kendall, walking around Detroit, you know, having her picture taken by makeup artist and photographer. And of course, Christina, for joining me today.
Thank you for having me. This was so fun. I can't wait to see how they turned out.
Thank you for doing the makeup too, by the way.
Oh yeah, I get some credit because I did the makeup as well.
Yes, turned out amazing.
Little thing. Turned out beautiful.
Let us know what you guys think of the photos, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh my God. Are you okay? My neck is so stiff.
Okay.